Hello students, let's learn an important topic today. Difference between enteral and parenteral nutrition. So let's break the word. Enteral means via GI tract or digestive tract. Parenteral means outside the GI tract or through a vein. So I hope the difference between enteral and parenteral nutrition is clear. Hello and welcome to my channel. A gentle request, if these videos are helping you in any way, please do like and subscribe and do share it with your friends. So let's read 3 MCQs about enteral and parenteral nutrition. First question, a patient is to be started on enteral nutrition. All of the following means can be used except. So if you know the full form of PICC and PEG, then this question becomes very easy. So PEG is nothing but percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy, and that will be again via digestive or alimentary tract, and that will be enteral nutrition. So the answer here will be PICC, which is peripherally inserted central catheter, and that nutrition will be via a vein, which is parenteral nutrition. Second question, a patient has met with an accident and is in deep coma. He requires nutrition. Which of the following methods will be best for him? So always remember, enteral nutrition is the best and always preferred over parenteral. So TPN will be ruled out. One more golden point, any patient requiring nutrition more than 2 weeks, prefer a stomy via the tubings. So answer has to be between either gastrostomy or jejunostomy. Important concept, always try to cross the DJ flexure and go into the jejunum. So the answer here will be feeding jejunostomy. Last question, although enteral nutrition is safe, which of the following is the least common complication? And the least common here will be hypoglycemia. So I hope these 3 MCQs and the concept was helpful. Thank you.